Top 5 Best Outdoor Propane Tankless Water Heater. Rinnai Ru 199 EP Condensing Tankless Hot Water Heater, 11 GPM, propane, outdoor installation in just $1,854.74. This Rinnai Ru 199 EP Condensing Tankless Hot Water Heater is an energy and space-efficient solution for endless hot water in your home. Enjoy up to 11 GPM hot water flow rate with its powerful and constant stream. The tankless design heats only when necessary and conserves energy, saving you both money and space. Installed with Circ Logic, pairing with an external pump facilitates instant heating and reduced wait time for hot water. For long-lasting performance, it features a 15-year heat exchanger warranty, 5-year labor warranty, and 1-year parts warranty. Plus, Wi-Fi monitoring for complete control and peace of mind. All of this for just $1,854.74, with professional installation recommended. Propane Gas Tankless Water Heater, FOGATTI Outdoor 5.1 GPM, 120,000 BTU White Instant Hot Water Heater, Instagas Classic 120S Series in just $539. This propane gas tankless water heater, FOGATTI Outdoor 5.1 GPM, 120,000 BTU White Instant Hot Water Heater, Instagas Classic 120S Series, at only $539, offers endless water supply without preheating and precise temperature control and stable temperature. Its compact design and outdoor installation makes it easy to install and save space. It provides CSA certification in the USA and Canada and excellent quality and service with 5 years warranty on the heat exchanger and 2 years warranty on other parts. Rheem Mid-Efficiency 8.4 GPM Outdoor Liquid Propane Tankless Water Heater in just $953. This Rheem Mid-Efficiency 8.4 GPM Outdoor Liquid Propane Tankless Water Heater is the perfect solution for your home's hot water needs. It is equipped with exclusive water savings and hot start programming technologies, which conserve up to 1,100 gallons of water per year and minimize cold water bursts. It has a maximum BTU of 157,000 and can run up to 8.4 gallons per minute with a temperature rise of up to 35 degrees Fahrenheit, and is designed for outdoor use with freeze protection up to -30 degrees. Plus, it also comes with a recirculation pump ready kit. Get all these great features for just $953. Propane Gas Tankless Water Heater, FOGATTI Outdoor 8.1 GPM, 180,000 BTU White Instant Hot Water Heater in just $699. The FOGATTI Propane Gas Tankless Water Heater is the perfect solution for your hot water needs. Perfect for 3 to 5 outlets, this water heater features 180,000 BTU and 8.1 GPM for ample hot water. Installation must be done by a licensed professional. Enjoy up to 30 minutes preheating time and unlimited access to hot water. Its advanced technology, superior safety and durability is CSA certified in the US and Canada. With a built-in forced exhaust fan and compact design, this water heater offers an energy conversion rate of 0.82 UEF and stable combustion. Plus, FOGATTI provides free replacement within 30 days and a 5-year heat exchanger warranty and 2-year warranty on other parts. Get the FOGATTI Propane Gas Tankless Water Heater for just $699. Rinnai V65 EP Non-Condensing Propane Tankless Water Heater, Outdoor Installation, up to 6.5 GPM in just $681.74. The Rinnai V65EP non-condensing propane tankless water heater provides up to 6.5 GPM and fits in a variety of spaces. The original design only heats when necessary, conserving energy and providing a cleaner layout that speeds up installation and service. Never run out of hot water with this compact, durable heater that includes enhanced scale detection for serious, long-term protection. Professional installation is highly recommended for the best utility of this product. Find the perfect Rinnai for your home with product guides, manuals, energy guides, warranty information, and a groundwater temperature map. Get yours now for just $681.74.